guys, I just want to do a little small review of this glamping spot at this Bukit Tinggi, Jana Bay area. It's just after Selesa Hill. Selesa Hill, go further inside and you come to this place called the Terrace Valley. Okay, so this is a terrace. The Terrace Valley is a glamping spot. Alright, so you can the spots for you, pergola where you can camp there, or they have like a tree or a few call it tiny homes lah, like sort of cabins, aircon cabin with a toilet and all that. So yeah, it's a nice place to just take a break from real life. Let's take a walk around here. So the first part here is called Twin Camp. You can rent one spot here, Twin Camp. There's two pagoda. Okay. You can camp here, then also there's another area for cooking. There's a barbecue pit there also. Okay, this is a twin house, so I'm staying here tonight. I set up my camp here. So you have a small pool here. This pool actually is this is a river water. Okay, it's a river water, very cold water. So have a look at this. Call this a tiny house. So you have a veranda here, a table here. Can do your cooking here. They provide a freezer for you. So actually, this tiny home is the only one with a cabin and with aircon. Okay, to make you more convenient, more comfortable. Okay, so this is a tiny house inside. You have a loft here. Oh, the aircon is so cool. There's the toilet. Very nice. Sofa bed here, right? Sofa bed, right? There's a loft. There's a bed here also. Okay. This is a cooking area. So there's two tables here. So you can do your right here, you can do a barbecue here. Yep. So there's a tree pergola lah, tree roof. You can set up your camp here, right? Each of this unit you have a fan. You have a roof fan You have electricity supply. Okay, all here. You have a table here also. Okay, this one. And here you have goats. Have goats. One, two, three, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 goats. Then they're hungry. So tonight we're gonna have some barbecue. Toilet here. This toilet here also got shower. You have a hot shower also. Toilet. You got hot shower also. Toilet bowl also same. Nice. Very nice swimming pool. It's a river water swimming pool.